This is our project area start. This size is blocking project. Bangladesh Pani Union Board under for Banglamark Limited. This project is visiting MD Sajjad sir and MD Murshid sir with me. This place name Chaudhuri Hat area, Chaudhuri Hat, Shondip, Chittagong. This project running time 2 years. Fishing boat repairing center, our project site.